Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating the perfect winter body butter. If you are new to my channel, please make it a point to subscribe. So these are the ingredients. We're just going to use some Vaseline, baby lotion, vitamin E oil, vanilla essence and coconut oil. In terms of ratios, I will be listing them down in the description box. So please keep watching. I'm going to start off with the Vaseline. So this Vaseline, I would suggest I just used about like 4 ounces, and then a few drops of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons or 3 ounces of baby lotion, and about an ounce of coconut oil. Just more or less, depends. So I'm gonna start off with the Vaseline. I'm just gonna scoop it out and pop it into a metal bowl. I don't know why I just used a metal bowl. So as you can see, I would just start using my hand mixer and I'm just gonna whip it, and it already started changing color. So the first ounce of baby lotion is going in with a few drops of vanilla essence. I just loved the scent, and I'm just gonna beat this. And then I'm gonna add in the second ounce of the baby lotion. I feel like I added as much as I wanted just to get the right consistency. You don't want it to be too sticky like Vaseline and too wet like a lotion. It's a body butter, so you have to look for the perfect shine. I was sort of getting that consistency as you start to see the Vaseline is giving you that perfect sheen. So I just kept whipping, and then I added more lotion, and then also I later on added the coconut oil and vitamin E oil. I just used about like 2 capsules of the vitamin E, and I really loved it. It gave it a very nice finish, as well as the coconut oil. I had to use a knife to scoop out my coconut oil because it was practically frozen in there, and usually with original coconut oil you'll know it's very hard. So as you can see, I'd beaten it and then scooped the sides so I could properly mix it together. As you can see, look at the shine in this already. It was so soft and fluffy. I really loved this texture. So now I'm just gonna pipe it into my tin. I just used an old tin that I had, and I just loved the texture. It turned out so perfectly. I mean, look at that, it's creating the perfect swirls, and it applied on so smoothly. It's not sticky like Vaseline, which was so surprising for me, and it's just the best body butter. So you're supposed to apply this after you take a shower, or rather in the steam of the shower. When you're done, you just apply it everywhere and you're gonna be feeling pretty damn good. So yeah, I really loved it. I was quite surprised with how good this turned out. So when I applied this, it was so smooth and so easy to apply, and you're supposed to use this after you out of the shower, just in the steam of the bathroom. Just put it on everywhere and you're gonna be feeling fabulous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.